So my final question is qualities that you feel are important for machine learning engineers. You kind of touched on this, but I just wanted to reiterate that.
Yeah, I mean, I think I can speak from my own experience. Like, I work at a startup, so I mean, you don't really know 100% what you'll be working on the next day, right? So in my mind, like, I think number one is like the ability to pick up new stuff like really quickly. And I think that is a skill. So I think that's a skill that comes from constant, like, a passion for self-improvement and a passion for trying new stuff out, like that your job might even not be giving to you, or your current environment might not be giving to you. That might include like contributing to open source. That might be, you know, setting up a webcam with like a deep learning model deployed on AWS that identifies like the foxes that come into your kind of garden and eat your like plants. They don't eat plants, but anyway, yeah, you see what I mean. So like it's this constant like strive for like learning new stuff. I think that's where that comes from. So I think that's and like for machine learning, I think we're blessed with this amazing community nowadays. And I think having that passion, that like involvement in the community, even a voice in that community. So, you know, an attempt to put your thoughts out there, create a blog. One would say everyone does that, but really it just shows like, you know, you really want this. You really, you know, you're really serious about, if you're not already in machine learning or getting into machine learning, like it's so important. So I think, yeah, so generalist, I would say generalist, like computing, like cloud, some databases, obviously like a passion for machine learning, but not to the extent that you're going to be, you know, implementing necessarily like the latest paper. It's all about, I think, at least in a startup environment, it's a lot about the generalist stuff. But that's just where I come from.
Awesome. Alex, this has been so informative. I am so appreciative that you got on here and you talked with us.